Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death globally. But what if I told you that one of the most promising natural defenders might already be in your kitchen? This isn't just another herb, it's rosemary. Beyond its anti-tumor potential, rosemary's benefits stretch across your entire body. Just inhaling its earthy scent has been shown to enhance your mood and memory. But that's just the beginning. Let's explore 10 science-backed reasons to keep rosemary in your daily wellness routine, and how to use it in real life, starting with something as simple as tea. But first, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for weekly videos that help you feel better, live longer, and thrive naturally. 1. Natural pain relief from the past and present. Rosemary has been soothing pain since around 500 BC. The ancient Greeks and Romans didn't just use it to flavor roasted lamb. They turned to it as a natural remedy during wars, where its anti-inflammatory powers helped treat wounds and aches. Fast forward to today, research supports what they seemed to know. In one study, stroke survivors who received rosemary oil massage with acupressure reported a 30% drop in pain within 2 weeks. You can try it yourself. Add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to a carrier oil like sweet almond and massage it into sore muscles after a long walk or workout. Or try soaking in a rosemary-infused bath with Epsom salts to ease joint stiffness. Second, balancing hormones and boosting fertility. Carnosol, one of rosemary's primary compounds, helps regulate estrogen and androgen levels. It also helps control DHT, a hormone that, when elevated, can contribute to hair loss and hormonal imbalances. If you want a natural way to support hormonal balance, rosemary tea is a great daily ritual. But if plain rosemary tea feels a little too earthy for your taste, try this blend. A small sprig of fresh rosemary, a slice of fresh ginger root, a dash of cinnamon stick, a pinch of licorice root, if you're not avoiding it for blood pressure, steeped in a base of white tea with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of raw honey. We like to call it the soothing Ginger Bliss, warming, balancing, and just the right amount of sweet. Enjoy this mid-afternoon to help reset your energy and support hormonal harmony. 3. Rosemary and hair loss. What the research shows. In a study that might surprise you, rosemary oil performed just as well as minoxidil, the active ingredient in Rogaine, in promoting hair regrowth, with fewer side effects. Try this. Mix rosemary essential oil with argan or jojoba oil. Massage it into your scalp 3 to 4 times a week and be consistent. Results take time, but this natural method has shown real promise in reversing hair thinning. 4th, soothe your gut with rosemary. Struggling with bloating or sluggish digestion? Rosemary might help. It's rich in tannins and flavonoids, which soothe the gut lining and reduce inflammation. In one clinical study, those who took rosemary extract before meals experienced a 68% reduction in IBS symptoms. Practical use. Sip rosemary tea 15 to 20 minutes before meals to help stimulate bile flow, aid digestion, and prevent heartburn or bloating. Add peppermint leaves or fennel for an extra digestive boost. 5th, immunity boost from the inside out. 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary pack about 150 milligrams of rosmarinic acid, an antioxidant known to calm inflammation and strengthen immunity. Try steeping a rosemary sprig with lemon and a dash of cayenne to make a quick immunity-boosting tea when you feel a cold coming on. 6. Natural skin and beauty remedy. Oily or acne-prone skin? Rosemary may help balance oil and calm inflammation. A study from Italy found that applying rosemary extract twice daily reduced oil production in just 2 weeks. DIY tip. Brew strong rosemary tea. Let it cool and bottle it in a glass spray bottle. Use it as a facial toner after cleansing. Store in the fridge for a refreshing mist. 7. Stress reduction in seconds. That fresh, minty, earthy scent of rosemary? It comes from 1.8 cineol, also known as eucalyptol, a compound shown to reduce anxiety and even lower cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Simple ritual. Before a stressful task or bedtime, take 5 slow, deep breaths while inhaling rosemary oil. One study showed that nursing students who did this before exams had lower pulse rates and less stress. 8. Supports healthy blood sugar. Rosemary helps muscles absorb glucose more efficiently, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes. This can make a big difference if you're managing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Toss some rosemary into your roasted sweet potatoes or sprinkle it over a bowl of quinoa and veggies. Small habits, big wins. 9. Brain health and neuroprotection. Carnosic acid protects brain cells from oxidative stress. Early research even shows rosemary may slow the progression of Alzheimer's and improve memory. Try a few drops of rosemary essential oil in a diffuser while reading, working, or studying. It can help with mental clarity and focus. 10. Rosemary for your eyes. Its antioxidants may help delay cataracts and macular degeneration. One 2014 study found that rosemary compounds helped improve outcomes in experimental glaucoma. Incorporating rosemary in your tea routine or meals could offer long-term benefits for eye health. Safety and side effects. Rosemary is generally safe when used in food, teas, or skincare, but moderation is essential. Excessive intake, especially in concentrated oil form, can lead to side effects like vomiting, muscle spasms, or even serious conditions like pulmonary edema. Pregnant women should use caution. High doses may increase miscarriage risk. People with epilepsy should avoid undiluted rosemary oil, as it may trigger seizures. Always dilute rosemary oil with a carrier before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation. Thanks for joining us on this journey through one of nature's most versatile herbs. Whether you're using it in tea, oil, or skincare, rosemary offers a wealth of benefits waiting to be explored. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves natural wellness, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.